All right, time to start. Let's see. When I turned on the app, I was so nervous. The anticipation of waiting, your anxiety is just sitting there, just increasing as time goes by. Oh my God.
Head southwest on Walker Avenue toward Cheney Avenue.
Well, let's go. I'm Shanice Smith. I am a licensed clinical social worker at a community clinic down in East Oakland. I wanted to start driving because I really needed to start saving money. I've been signed up for a while, but I haven't actually taken a drive because I've just been really nervous. All right, let's go. Now I actually have to do this. I can't back out anymore. I have to go get this person. Oh, darn. See, got lost already. Here I go, missing directions, and the lady's not even in my car yet. Okay, well, that's good though. It redirected me. Back is sweating. I don't know what's gonna happen. Santa Rosa. Ooh, that Terry? Oh my God, she was right there. Hello. Hi, Terry. Hi. It was really hard, like trying to talk to her, engage with her, and still look at the road and like make sure I'm looking at this. So I felt like my brain was doing a lot of things. Yeah, so do I. I live kind of close. But the first ride went smooth. Like that was great. And I think getting over the first ride is like getting over the hump.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yay! First ride done. Hey, I think I had somebody else to jump on. Then I had a ride to San Francisco with 3 people in the car on the highway, go over the bridge. And I personally don't even like driving in the city by myself. It's very nerve-wracking. It went a lot smoother than I thought it was gonna go. Thank you guys. No problem, thank you. Okay, so.
Go to Target.
Target, okay.
Cajun filet chicken biscuit, bow rounds, and a sweet tea at 5 a.m.
Sweet, I need to start doing that.
Destination is on the left.
Hi. So I got the idea for driving Lyft from the show Insecure, because I love Issa Rae.
That was a blast.
You're a blast. And so after I saw how she did Party Lyft and how much fun she was having, I just decided if I was gonna do it, then go with Lyft. So I think day 1 was a good day. I had really good people. Everyone was really chill and nice. And so it kind of decreased all my anxiety. Not all of it, but a lot of it. I took the path as a social worker because I really was drawn to people and their stories. I think I can bring just that welcoming and warm environment that I have in therapy into being a driver. My next ride was to Oakland Airport, and that one was a bit stressful. Oh yeah, I see her in the red top coming right behind me. And she was very frantic when she got in the car.
Sorry, I have to go to the airport. I have to get home to my daughter.
Okay.
Flight leaves at 4:10.
Yeah, you gotta go.
And this stupid meeting ran so late.
Got you, okay.
And I was supposed to be able to get back home to my 15-month-old daughter.
I was very, very worried that I was not gonna get her to the airport on time. I was scared that I was gonna miss directions and then she was gonna be late because of me. You flew in this morning?
I landed at like 12:30.
Basically got on the plane with nothing.
Yeah, I saw my purse.
That's gotta go.
I felt kind of badass, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. I think after just kind of talking to her and said we're gonna try to get you there as soon as possible, she calmed down.
Thank you so much. Again,
Yeah.
I really appreciate it.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Get there. She's definitely gonna have to run to make her flight, but we got her there without any hiccup. So now after day 2, I'm feeling way more confident. I think it was surprising how much I actually enjoy talking to random strangers. I think that was actually really nice. And just how friendly people are and just, you know, how willing they are to like open up and talk and have a conversation with you. I think night is gonna be a little tricky because traffic will probably pick up. And sometimes seeing street signs without lights is kind of hard. And then I don't know who comes out at night.
It's kind of annoying.
It's all good.
Welcome.
It was just unexpected.
Right.
So this really your first week of doing Lyft?
Yeah.
I drove Lyft for a little bit.
Did you?
Yeah,
Oh.
it's actually pretty easy.
Yeah.
The people are cool because everybody wants to talk to you.
Yeah,
And then if they don't want to talk, I'm like, cool, because I can focus on the road.
Exactly. Well, the evening was okay. It was a lot better than I thought it was gonna be.
I'm excited for you. Thank you,
So my first week went very well, I think, in my opinion. I had good rides, good passengers. Even during some of the sticky times, I was able to get through it. So I'm officially a Lyft driver for sure. My advice is kind of get out of your own head. That was really me, like in my head, thinking about all the things that could go wrong. And instead of thinking that, just get in the car and go. That's a